This is Redfeather from Bookmarks. In this video, we will be showing you Twitter's update to Bookmarks and how to bookmark items in Twitter and view them later. It is quite simple. You tap the arrow button to save a tweet. This will bring up a menu. Scroll down to bookmark tweet and click. In order to access the tweet, just click on your avatar and scroll down to Bookmarks and click. It is that easy. This could be a win-win for everyone. Easy access to interesting material for those on a busy day and for those posting content in order to ensure their content is seen. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abeyu 1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.